guys, and welcome back to my channel The Fab Cat. This is my very first official video for you guys, and last week I launched my introduction video, so for those who have seen it may be able to know that who I am. For those who have not seen it, please do go back and see that introduction video also, and please do subscribe to my channel. I would really love it. So as you all know that I love shopping, and shopping is something which each and every girl loves. So today I'm going to do a haul for you. It's a Colaba Causeway haul, and I've got a pretty small things for myself. Not small, but yeah, I've got many things for myself. And I went to Colaba actually on 2nd of July, and that was pretty before, and it was raining that day heavily, and I had a couple of places to visit the same day. So I actually reached Colaba at 7:30 in the evening, and also because Ramzan was on, so because it had rained the entire day and Ramzan was on, so the Colaba Causeway mood which is there, the shopping mood that was not there. Still I managed to get some things for myself, and I would really love to share it with you. So let's get started. The very first thing which I bought was a bag. So for those who are following me on Instagram must have seen me posting the pictures on the 3rd of July itself with that bag, because I couldn't resist myself getting it out. So yes, this is the bag which is it, and this is a tan color bag. Firstly, I wanted this color bag somehow, somewhere, so I just got it in Colaba. As you can see, there's a cutting sort of a designing which has been done, which is a really delicate designing which has been done, which is on both the sides. Okay, first thing which I love about this bag is the color. Apart from the color, actually, is the capacity, as you can see. Okay, so it's best, it's apt for college going girls if you have to take out a project or a file or something like that, and you don't want to spoil your fashion, your entire dressing with carrying that polythene bag. This bag is apt for you because you can carry your all files, your projects and your makeup things, everything in this. So yes, it has a small bag inside it which is like a purse sort of thing, which has a zip, as you can see, and you can keep everything which is like essential and small little makeup things which are there, or anything which is there inside this. This is how it looks. And yes, I've kept tissues in this. So anything which is necessary and you want to carry, you can carry it in any other bag also if you want this to be permanently your makeup bag thing. But the only thing is that it is not having a sling, so it cannot be taken out individually. But apart from that, it is really nice. And yes, so second thing about this bag is, as you can see, it does not have any zip, it does not have any button. But the best part is it has magnets on both the ends, and it just sticks on automatically, so you don't have to worry about closing that zip or the button thing. So this is the bag which I got, and I really love. Initially he quoted me 1800, and then he came down at 1000, and he had 3 colors in this. There's black, white and this color, but as I said, I wanted this color, so I bought this. I got it for 1000. Maybe it's a big value still for some people because Colaba Causeway is famous for bags, but still I couldn't resist it, and I actually got it from a person whose shop is at the end of the market, at the very end of the market. So yeah, this is the first thing. The second thing which I got are these flip-flops, which are again tan color, and actually they have coincidentally matched with the bag somewhat. So like, this was not planned, and actually I bought this bag, as I said, from the very end. So this was the last thing which I shopped, and these were the first thing which I got. And I also got along with them these beige color, I'm sorry about this, the beige color flip-flops which are there. So firstly, this can be worn casually, this can be worn traditionally also with one piece, with jeans or whatever you want. And whereas these are more simple, more traditional sort of, and these also having a sort of a cutting, sort of a designing there, and same goes for this. And he quoted me 350 initially, but I got them for 400, both of them. The next thing which I got is this Anna Carroll's top, which is navy blue in color. It's georgette material, it's full sleeves, and as you can see, there's a white kind of a designing which is there on this, and this is what is enhancing its look more. And I just love this navy blue color, so I couldn't resist. And I got it for 250. He quoted 400, but I got it for 250. And yes, you can pair it with anything you want. You can pair it with skirt, formal skirt. If you have a white pant, then it will go very nicely on that. If you have some toned jeans also, that will go very well on this. So this is what I got, and I really want to wear this soon. So the next thing which I got is this long shrug. Just a minute. Yes, so this is a long shrug, as you can see. This is also navy blue in color. I love blue. So yes, I actually wanted such kind of a shrug when I saw Ileana Cruz in the film Happy Ending. She was wearing this long shrug and a gown kind of a thing. So I really fell in love with that look, and I actually wanted to try that look out. So this is what I got. He initially quoted me 600, but I got it for 300. The only thing I regret is there was a grey color shrug also, but it was having a minor defect, so I couldn't buy that. But the material, as you compare, that was more of a sort of a cotton knit kind of a material, and this is more of a shrug kind of a material, the normal shrug which we get. But yes, I'm really happy with this. The next thing which I got is this yellow color ganji which is there. Okay, this is really soft actually, but it is a kind of a body sticking one, and I actually got this, but I don't know what am I going to do with this. But I wanted something in yellow, so I just bought it, and I got it for 100 bucks. He was saying 200, but I just got it for 100 bucks. And as I said that the market was not in its full-fledged mood, the last thing which I could buy was some kind of an accessory, and yeah, this is what I got. And this is actually a simple chain which has a leafy kind of a pattern, as you can see, and there are diamonds inside it. So it's very simple, yet it's very classy, it's very trendy. You can just wear it on any top, any simple plain top, or pair it up with a choker also, a black color choker or something. So yes, this is what I got, and I got it for 60 bucks. He quoted 100 rupees, but I got it for 60 bucks. So yes, that's it for my shopping from Colaba Causeway, and I hope I'll go back and get more and more things and I'll share it with you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and also do comment if you want to really know something specifically about the products which I showed or something about me. Please do comment below. Till then, bye bye and take care.